Okay, today is going to be a sprint workout, if you can call it a sprint at 76. I'm not sprinting too fast, but just trying to sprint, trying to, keep those fast twitch muscles going to a certain extent is helpful for sure. But you have to be careful when you're older. Anyone over 70 has to be careful. You might want to do your sprints uphill and short ones. You have to, really dial in and be aware of your body. So, it helps you maintain muscle bone density and sharp reaction times. But you have to have that smart approach to prevent the injuries. And focus on the warm-up. I'm going to walk quite a bit here before I start running. And it boosts your cardiovascular health, your metabolism, and physical function. So it helps to build strength and power. It improves your heart health. Short sprints can improve heart rate recovery and blood pressure. It improves your balance, your coordination. So how do you do it? First of all, you get medical clearance to do this, right? When you're doing any kind of high intensity. Warm up thoroughly. That's why I'm going to warm up, do some skipping, little light jogging, and start slow with like little 10, 20-yard sprints at about 60 or 70%. And then you can use hills, incorporate long rests in between sprints, and listen to your body. Don't overdo it. Recovery slows with age. So rest is going to be crucial. And then focus on form. Maintain a nice tall posture and just focus on that form and drive the knees. Get that good knee drive going. So the key takeaway, sprinting is a powerful anti-aging tool. But for those over 70s, it's about being smart, adapted training, which stands for sit. But we don't want to sit. No, sitting is like the new smoking, okay? So, yeah. So we don't want to go for Olympic level bursts of energy, 60, 70%, maybe you could work up your way to a little bit more than that. But this works for older athletes, whatever your sport, if you're a tennis player, whatever, you want to keep that strong muscular frame. Sprinting is a good idea. So let me get into it. I'm going to start walking and then eventually getting into the sprint. Okay. I just started sprinting here, and you're going to see the difference between the first one and the last one. The form and the speed is getting better as I go. Now on this last one, you'll see the arms are really pumping, the legs are coming up, so it's a much better form there. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video. Please give me a like, a thumbs up. And if it's your first time here, please subscribe to the channel. That helps me out a lot. For more tips like these, how to stay healthy as we age, check the channel out. A lot of different videos and tips, health advice. All the best. Fruit up. Eat your greens every day. Take care.